All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Coomansingh, and this shall be a showcase of not only the work that I've done for the first sprint so far of February 2023, but it shall also showcase the work that I've done so far in empathy itself. So forgive my voice. It is currently 3:31 in the morning, February 9th. I'm extremely tired, but work has to be done. So let me showcase I've done. So you might remember this main menu system that I've actually completed a few sprints ago. But the reason why it's important is that it links to it basically captures like a glue, basically putting everything together. So basically I just remember in the main menu system, new game, the load game, you have all your different options. This was a showcase this a while back now. Press new game. Yes, I want to join a new game. It'll put you into Sun scene, right? Sun is a designer for this game, and you might wonder what are these tiles right here, right? So I was going to showcase them in the one scene, but I might as well showcase them here because this is going to actually be a representation of how like it's early prototype of being in a game itself because I already finished all the functionality. So basically, for as you know, the game Empathy is a point and click, right? And how we wanted it to be in in order for the player to have upgrades, um, I was advised, or not advised, but the idea came up to use actually these farm plots right here, to actually represent upgrades. So, for example, if you use an upgrade to a certain characteristics, so upgrade your negativity, your total air health, it would manifest itself into more crops being grown or being bigger and stuff like that. So, I guess I could just go into it here. Might as well do it here. Like jump to my yes, save my changes. If I want to jump to my upgrade scene, see a bunch of prefabs and stuff here. So pretty much in my upgrade screen, I worked on the upgrades independently here. So the upgrades, they would be for your player's toll, their negativity, as well as their health. Let's see, even though they're prefab as well. Okay, so good, perfect, awesome. So a showcase of this is that I built everything over the last 2 days. I had to rebuild the entire upgrade system. I believe I showcased the upgrade system only before, but I had to scrap it and rebuild it. So they're all, as you can see, all designated by saying independent. So I've rebuilt them all independently, meaning the tutorial I used to make the upgrades, I had to watch a tutorial 4 times. So 19 minutes, and I had to stop and do everything and replicate everything that's done in that video 4 times in order to create 4 upgrade systems over and over. But the final result came out way cleaner and, in my opinion, much more effective and efficient than the first. So let me showcase it. See if I go on. So the red just showcases that it's been pressed, basically. So this is for tool. Would you like to upgrade your tool? Yes or no? As you can see, even though it's a point and click game, I can't move because when the player enters the collider of this object, I disable the nav mesh as well as the player controller, so they can't move. When they press no, you're allowed to move again, right? So press yes. As you can see, that brings up the tool upgrade system. So how we have it, it replicates a skill tree type, so upgrade one. So again, these are just preliminary. Eventually, so since I have the foundation down now for the upgrade system, now what I can actually do is link the end goal is to link, as you can see right here, SP, that's your skill points. That was a uh what's the word that I'm looking for? Proprietary. That's the word I'm thinking of. Proprietary. That was a proprietary cost schema that was in the tutorial. Basically, it's something built in code, so you could like change the amount of points you have, the amount of points that will be spent in every time you You press it. Every time you press it, the amount that each upgrade costs to be maximized, etc., etc. However, eventually the end goal is to actually have it so that this negativity value is going to be linked, and you're going to be using your negativity as currency within the game. So back to this, press yes. So if I want to buy upgrade 1, does a thing. Boom. Upgrade 1 now gives me access to upgrade 2, 3, and 4 respectively. I buy upgrade 2. So there's a cool thing. I currently have 19 skill points. So if I press it 5 times, that maxes out upgrade 2. So it changes color. Same thing with upgrade 3. Maxes out for 5 times. Maxed out. If I press upgrade 4 now gives me access to upgrade 6 and upgrade 5. However, I only have 8 more skill points. So if I put the rest into upgrade 4, put the rest in upgrade 5, no, I can neither complete upgrade 5 or 6. There's no completed. Additionally, this back button here, once you press it, it closes the upgrade system canvas as well as re-enables both the player controller and the navigation mesh. This back, it closes out. And the great thing is, your progress is saved with the updates, with the upgrades. Progress is saved. If you go to another one, this one here, would like to upgrade your health. I press yes. Actually, I'm really proud of this. I made all of them have a different design. So I press yes for the upgrade system. They have access to upgrade 2, 3, and 4 like before. Upgrade 4. They have access to upgrade 5 and 6 respectively. Put all into 6. Some into 3. Some into 5. And now your health upgrade system is maxed out because you exhausted all of your skill points. Back again. Let's go to the negativity. Would you like to upgrade negativity? Yes. No. I actually really like this design, this metallic look from a button PNG from Google that changes colors. So I press yes. So see, I try to make all the designs kind of cool, kind of different looking. This one uses diagonals. So now I have access upgrades 2, 3, and 4. So upgrade 2 is going to give me access to upgrade 5. Upgrade 3 is going to now give me access to upgrade 6. I max out upgrade 6. And now it's gold. Max out 5. And now I've exhausted all the rest of my points. Last but not least, we like to upgrade your player stats. This one I really liked because I got this cool glowing PNG. If I do that, see, and it only actually changes the color of the outline, which is so cool. So if I do that, upgrade 3, upgrade 2, I press upgrade 4 once, we have access to upgrade 5 and 6 respectively. And now they go back to glowing. So in this scene, this is the way I actually just created it, where I mocked it up. So this is just, as you can see, a tech demo. Speaking of tech demo, last 2 weeks, so 2 weeks ago, so not last week before, when I had the second sprint to represent the project to the studio director, Roy Papp, he expresses concern with the showcasing of tech demos instead of actual gameplay. He was concerned of constantly saying, we will implement this, we will do this will come, and not actually seeing any gameplay. So instead, I was just showcasing videos of these things working, or in their own scene like this, a black and gray and white, terrain, and not showcasing it in actual gameplay. So this sprint tomorrow, Thursday, so it's already Thursday, a couple of hours after present it, and hopefully he'll be impressed by showcasing actual gameplay. So now if I go to Sun's scene, so let's start. Let's go from it from the from my main menu. I'll go to from my main menu, new game, yes. So now we're here. Remember how it looked from the past scene. If I go to this, right to upgrade your tool, yes, works just the same. It took me a while to do. I had to learn to prefab. Prefab basically allow me to take the assets from one scene and put it to the next. So, and it works just the same. I was really proud of myself being able to get this done. Got all the same upgrades. all the same functionality. Look, upgrade your health. Yep. And then if I want to go and upgrade my negativity, yep, everything works. Everything works. So this is amazing because now that I actually have it implemented in the game now, now it actually is implemented. This is just temporary, having them be like basically just tiles. I want to eventually have them uh either situate. I could change the shape of them, so maybe make it like those sticks that you stick into soil to tell what crop you just planted or what seed you just planted. Like maybe have like one of them coming up here, or maybe a sign or something that says health, one that says negativity, one that says toll, one that says player stats. So that's my preliminary idea. But at least this is showcasing that I've implemented my upgrade system in the game so far, as well as I'll showcase how far the game has come along. So now I've finished my upgrade task, or now I can work on more visual assets. Uh, Alex, he worked on the dialogue system. He's working on the quest system now. If I go and speak to, can I speak to you? Okay, no, I cannot speak to you yet. I don't think, do you have dialogue? No, you do not have dialogue. Oh wow, that's a soothing animation. The first time I ever saw it, animation got me fixed. I didn't realize that. Go through the ground. I did not realize that. Where is there's an NPC you can talk to. So the ones you speak to, yeah, there you go. So the ones you speak to are going to be the quest NPCs. So if I speak to you, if I press it, you can see the little uh icon changes. Speak a name, hello there, friend. Don't suppose you're willing to help out an old farmer. Is everything all right, Farmer Francis? So he's going to be Farmer Francis. Is going to be the first NPC. No, actually, I'm having a bit of a rough start to the morning. What can I do to help? You see, I decided to bring a fresh batch of hay into town, figuring that I'd unloaded after lunch, but the latch on my tailgate must have come loose. As you can see, there's no longer any hay in the back of my truck. I'm sorry to hear that. Sounds like a lot of work gone to waste. Maybe not. I'm too old to go hunting for those bales. I'm lifting them back into my truck. If you don't mind doing and collecting those hay bales, will certainly help me out of this distressing situation. Happy to help. Come find me again once you collect them all. Thank you. And just like that, that's going to be our first quest. So we have dialogue. So now let's have to implement the actual quest system. Um, additionally, oh yeah, so additionally, we're currently working on this. This that was actually a transition. So now we're in a different part of the game. This represents Jonathan's playground level. We're just doing a bit of maintenance here because we're unable to move here as yet, but it's at least just showcasing all the work that has been done so far. So currently for me, what I've done so far, this main menu system works amazing. The upgrade system that I've done works amazing. So at least it's just a showcase of the hard work and dedication that I've been putting into this game. So hopefully that studio director, Mr. Roy Papp, will be impressed and could keep looking forward to seeing this game becoming something fruitful and something of a success story for a promising game designer such as myself. Thank you and have a great day.